Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create transparent text on white background in CapCut PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have prepared my project in my CapCut PC application. And first thing first, I'm going to add text to my project. We can click on add text and select default text. And you can type in the text you want to add to your video. For instance, I'm just going to add transparent like this, and you can change the font if you want. I'm just going to select this font. Okay, and then I'm going to change the color of this text. I'm going to change it to black. I'm going to select black, and then we can add background to this text. You can scroll down until you find the background option. You can check it and you can choose white background. Okay, and now the background has been changed, and you can adjust the text like this. And after that, we're going to wait guys, I'm going to make the text align with my video, and we're going to right click on the text and click on create compound clip. Okay, and then we're going to go to the video section and go to the blend. You can choose the blend mode. You can choose either brighten, screen, or color dodge. Okay, I'm going to choose brighten. Okay, as you can see guys, that the transparent text on white background has been created. Alright guys, and that's all the way to create transparent text on white background in CapCut PC. Hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.